Congratulations on acquiring your new Model 3589 snack and drink combo vending machine. Whether you're diving into the vending business for the first time or you're a seasoned professional, this machine is designed to streamline your vending operation and boost your profits. In this VendNet tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple setup process of your new Model 3589 vending machine, ensuring you have a smooth and efficient start. You got this! On the day of your installation, be sure to have the snack and drink products you want to fill your new machine with on hand. You will also need a roll of nickels, dimes, and quarters for change in your new machine. You'll need to fill the coin tubes with change in order to accept cash payments at your machine. Your machine might look slightly different than the machine used in this video. However, the information for the Model 3589 machine is still applicable. We recommend putting chips and bagged snacks on the top 2 rows and a row of candy on the 3rd tray. You can find these products at your local wholesale club. We've purchased variety packs of 1-ounce chips for the best value and selection options. We've also purchased these variety packs of candy, nuts, crackers, and cookies. The machine has 9 drink selections. 4 of the drink selections are designed for 12-ounce cans. Once your machine is in the final position, locate the keys and open the machine's door. The keys should be located in the coin return cup located in the lower right part of your machine. Once you've found the keys, unlock your machine and secure the door open for easier setup. Now go to the back of the machine and unhook the power cord. Make sure your machine button is powered off before you plug in the machine. Consult this video for electrical information to consider before plugging in your machine. After you plug in your machine, head to the front of the machine to locate the power switch. The switch is located inside your machine to the right of the trays at the back. Now, press the power button to turn on the machine. You'll know everything is operational when the lights come on and the bill acceptor cycles. Now remove the styrofoam and service packs in the machine. Put the service pack you find inside the machine in a safe location. It contains vital service and manufacturing information related to your machine. Now you're ready to load products. We recommend writing down all the numbered selections in the machine on a piece of paper. Next to each selection number, write the product and the price of the product you're going to put there. To load the machine, gently lift up and pull out the shelves. You'll feel it hit a stop, then lower it down at an angle. Now load the product into each selection, making sure you fill all the way from the front to the back without missing any space between the coils. We recommend filling each section of a tray, then moving to the next tray. When you're returning a tray to its original position, make sure it makes it over the 2 bump stops. With your snacks and candy loaded, it's now time to load up drinks in your machine. To load drinks, start by unlatching the refrigerated door by lifting up on the lock and swinging the door open. The top and bottom trays are for bottles and cans, while the center tray is a high-capacity tray that fits 12-ounce cans only. Load bottles on the top tray with the tops facing down, and load the bottles on the bottom tray with the tops facing up, so they do not block the iVend sensor that detects when a product is delivered. And cans in the high-capacity tray loaded on their side with the top of the can facing right. Note that there are duplicate numbers on some of the drink trays. These should be loaded with fast-selling, high-moving drinks. There is 1 number for each of your drinks. Next, place the samples of each drink into the machine's live display. Open the display by removing the wing nut and lifting the panel. Load the drink products into the display correlating with the numbers you previously wrote down and loaded into the machine. Make sure you orient the labels of the bottles and cans facing forward. Your machine is normally in sales mode, but service mode is where you will load coins and set prices. To place the machine in service mode, press the small button located on the control board on the upper right portion of the machine, inside the cabinet door. Once you push the service mode button, you'll hear a beep. To navigate service mode, use pound to save and enter, and star to back up. When you enter service mode, the display will show the number of motors the machine detects. These next steps will walk you through filling your coin changer so that your machine can accept dollar bill payments when it's in sales mode. Using the keypad on the exterior of the door, press 1 to begin loading the coins. Load each roll of coins into the machine coin insert slot here. Once all the coins are loaded, press the star key twice to exit service mode. It's now time to set prices on your vending machine. Setting prices on your vending machine is a straightforward process with 3 options: pricing each item individually, setting a price for a whole row of selections, and setting the whole machine for one price. First, let's walk through setting a price for each individual selection. After entering service mode by pressing the service mode button on the control board, the display will show the number of motors the machine detects. Press 5 on the keypad to enter price setting mode. Press 1 to set individual prices. Enter the selection number of the item you want to price. For example, selection 10. The screen will show the current price for that selection. Type in the new price and press pound to save. Repeat these steps for each item you want to price individually. Now we will set a single price for an entire row. Once in service mode, press 5 on the keypad to enter price setting mode. Press 2 to enter row price setting. The display should read RO to confirm you are in the row price setting menu. Now select the row you would like to change. Enter the new price for the entire row and press pound to save. And select the next row you would like to price. Enter the new price for the entire row and press pound to save. In pricing mode, you can also set your entire machine to one price. Once in service mode, press 5 on the keypad to enter price setting mode. Press 3 to enter price setting for all items. The display should read all to confirm you are in the whole machine price setting menu. Enter the new price for all the selections and press pound to save. Press star to exit to the price setting menu and press star again to go to the service mode main menu and star one more time to exit service mode and enter sales mode. It's recommended you insert bills and then at least one product to ensure your machine makes the correct change. Once that has occurred, you have completed the hardware and software setup for your new vending machine. To retrieve cash and access the bills, press the button on the top of the bill acceptor cassette and lift up. Pull the bills out of the spring-loaded cassette. Retrieve your coins by using the thumb release on the coin box down here and empty your coins and return the box to its position. Before you start the process, make sure that your machine is powered off. Pop off the cover here, then unscrew and remove the nut from the bottom of the antenna. Hold on to the nut while you run the antenna wires down through the top of the cabinet. Place the antenna on the top. Now take the nut and run the wires through it so you can screw it in the cabinet, under the antenna here, securing it in place. Connect to the harness to the left or right of your coin mechanism. Now use zip ties to tidy up the harnesses so they do not disrupt the machine operation. Now turn your machine on to boot up your device. Please check out our other video tutorials on vendnetusa.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching.